Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss one question which has been asked by Purvi Agarwal. That the question is, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines. Now solution. So the given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So for intersecting lines we know that a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So let us consider x plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 3 and b2 is equal to 5. So since a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, hence the lines will be intersecting. Okay, now a1 upon a2 is what? 2 upon 1 is not equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, now see the second part, parallel lines. Now what is the condition of parallel lines? For parallel lines, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So the given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So for parallel lines we write 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0, or we can take any other constant 2, 3, 4, any other constant except minus 8. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay. Now for coincident lines, third part, for coincident lines, we know that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So the given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So we can write any other, multiply this equation by 2, 4x plus 6y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now clearly a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, hence the lines are coincident. Student, I think it is clear to you. Now students, in the previous video I had explained about the substitution method. Today I am going to explain the second method of solving pair of linear equations algebraically by elimination method. Elimination, elimination method. Now what is elimination method? Let us take an example. Suppose 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. Now what we do, suppose we have to eliminate the x. So the coefficient of x is here 7 and the coefficient of x is here is 9 and here is 7. So its LCM is 63. So if you multiply this by 7 and multiply this by 9. So what will we get? We get 63x minus 28y is equal to 14,000, and multiply this by 9, again 63x minus 27y is equal to 18,000. Now minus plus minus, so this x is eliminated. Now it is minus y is equal to minus 4,000. So y is equal to 4,000. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So put the value of y in equation 1. We can put any equation in equation 1, in equation 2, any equation. So it is 9x minus 4, and y at the place of y we have to write 4,000, and this is equal to 2,000. So 9x minus 16,000 is equal to 2,000. 9x is equal to 18,000. X is equal to 2,000. Okay, so this is the value of x and y, and this method is called as elimination method. Okay students, let's take another example. X upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 is equal to minus 1, and x minus y upon 3 is equal to 3. So first of all, make this equation to be 1 and this equation to be 2. Now let us simplify the equation 1. So take the LCM of 2 and 3. So that is 6, and it is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. This is from equation 1. So this comes to be 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So give this is equation number 3. And again from equation 2, this to be 1. So take the LCM of 1 and 3, that is 3. So this comes out to be 3. 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x minus y is equal to 9, and give this equation 4. So basically we have to solve the equation number 3 and equation number 4. That is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6, and 3x minus y is equal to 9. Now students, you can see that the coefficient of x is 3 here and x is 3 also here. So there is no need of multiplying with any other constant. You can simply solve it by this, minus, plus and minus. So this is cancel out, and this is 5y is equal to minus 15. So y is equal to minus 3. Now put the value of y in equation 3. So what is equation 3? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. So 3x plus 4, at the place of y we have to write minus 3. This is equal to minus 6. So 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. So 3x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 2. Okay students, now I think it is clear to you.